Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can basically turn on your Windows Defender if it is turned off, as well as on how you can check if it's turned off or not. So over here, we just want to go to Windows Security. So we're just going to turn on Windows Security, and over here, as you can see, it's not turned on, it's turned off right now. This can happen sometimes if there is something that's trying to turn it off, or if you've, by mistake turned it off and don't know how to. This is going to be how to. So you basically just want to press on turn on, and that's about it. You can go to manage settings. Over here you can see all the types of protection it does provide, like tamper protection, automatic sample submission, cloud. So this is basically gonna send sample files to Windows to help protect you and other potential threats. Normally I would say turn this off. I mean, it's not really that important, but you know what, keep it turned on. It's for your own safety. And with that, there's nothing else to it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.